actual music video.
It's a video.
It is?
Yeah.
My nipples! My peace nipples!
Peace nipples. Well, marijuana. Marijuana. It even has wanna in the name of it. Come on. Everyone knows you want to. I know. Everyone wants to. I know.
I'm zooming in on your hair and on your face. Ew. It's a video. You don't have to just stand there.
My hair used to be that color too. Except my hair was Liberty Spikes. I would walk around the bill.
My hair is like, right now it's the after effects.
But I got kicked out doing that. Freaking we were trying to take a picture of me posing like one of those mall store thingies. I was like in the window and freaking, I wasn't there for a minute. She goes, okay, time to leave now. It's some freaking old lady. I was like, I want to take a picture. I got a picture too.